Hello children, today we are going to start exercise 1.6 and the question is solve the word problems. And the first one is Mr. Sundaram earns rupees 59,400 every month. He saves 15% of his salary. What amount of money does he save every month? Now understand the question. Mr. Sundaram earns 59,400 every month. हर महीने वो 59,400 earn करते हैं and 15% of his salary means 59,000 का 400 he saves. तो what amount of money does he save? हर महीने कितना amount वो save करते हैं? Let's find out. Money earned is 59,400. Money saved 15% of rupees 59,400. So how to do this? So remove the sign of percentage and write 100 as denominator. Remove of and write sign of multiplication. So 15 upon 100 into rupees 59,400. Now which number we see common here? 100. So we divide 59,400 and 100 by 100. So we get 594. So the number left is 15 into rupees 594. When we multiply these two, we get rupees 8910. Therefore, Mr. Sundaram saves rupees 8910 means 8,910 every month. Second question is 60% of 4,480 students in a school are girls. How many girls are there in the school? Now children understand the question. In a school there are 4,480 students and out of 4,480 students 60% are girls. So you have to find out how many girls are there in the school. So total students are 4,480 and 60% of 4,480 we have to find out. Now remove sign of percentage and write down 100 as denominator. Remove of and write sign of multiplication. So the number is 60 upon 100 into 4,480. Now we see which number is common here. In 100 and 4,480 it is 10. So we divide these two numbers by 10. We get 4,448. Here we get 10. So the number left is 60 upon 10 into 4,448. Now which number we see common here? It is 10. So we divide 60 and 10 by 10. 10 1 the 10 and 10 6 the 60. So the number left is 6 into 4,448. When we multiply these two, we get 2,688. Therefore, there are 2,688 girls in the school. Now, question 3 is, Manav has a collection of 1,300 stamps. 65% of the stamps are Indian stamps while the rest are foreign stamps. Find the number of Indian and foreign stamps in his collection. Now understand the question. Manav has 1,300 stamps. 65% stamps are Indian. So the remaining are foreign stamps. So you have to find out how many are Indian stamps and how many are foreign stamps. Let us find out. Total stamps are 1,300. Indian stamps are 65% of 1,300. Now remove sign of percentage, write 100 as denominator, remove of, write sign of multiplication. So 65 upon 100 into 1,300 we have to find out. Now we see which number is common here. We see 100 is common, so we'll divide 13 and 100 by 100. 100 1 the 100 and 1,300 divided by 100 is 13. So the number left is 65 into 13 is 845. Now 845 are Indian stamps. We have to find out foreign stamps. So total stamps are 1,300 and foreign stamps will be 1,300 minus 845. So the answer is 455. Therefore, there are 845 Indian stamps and 455 foreign stamps in his collection. Fourth part is Bikram has read 45% of a Harry Potter book with 680 pages. How many pages are left to be read? Now understand the question. There is a book named Harry Potter and Bikram has read 45% of it. So you have to find out how many pages are still left to be read. अभी उसको और कितने पढ़ने हैं? Let's find out. Total pages are 680. Pages read कितने पढ़ लिए? 45% of 680. Remove sign of percentage, write down 100 as denominator. Remove of, write down sign of multiplication. So the number is 45 upon 100 into 680. Now we see which number is common in 680 and 100. See, it is 20. 25 the 100 and 680 divided by 20 is 34. Now the number left is 45 upon 5 into 34. Now we see in 45 upon 5 which number is common? 5 is common, so we will divide 45 and 5 by 5. 5 1 the 5 and 5 9 the 45. So the number left is 9 into 34. When we multiply these two, we get 306. He has read 306 pages. Then how many pages are left? 680 minus 306 equal to 374. Therefore, 374 pages are left to be read. Fifth part is, Jatin scored 570 marks out of 600. What is the percent of marks scored? Now understand the question. Jatin ने 570 marks score किए out of 600. You have to find out the percentage of marks scored. कितनी percentage find out करेंगे? So the total marks are 600. Marks scored are 570 and the required percent 570 upon 600 into 100%. Why 100%? Because we have to find out percentage, so we will multiply by 100%. Now we see in 100 and 600 which number is common? It is 100. So we will divide 100 and 600 by 100. 106 the 600 and 100 divided by 100 is 1. Now which number is left? 570 upon 6. Now we see which number is common here. We see 6 is common, so we'll divide 570 and 6 by 6. 6 1 the 6 and 570 divided by 6 is 95. So answer is 95%. Therefore, Jatin scored 95% marks.